Have you ever wondered how serious violations of international law during armed conflict are actually brought to light and processed for justice? It is a crucial question for accountability. To document war crimes for official reporting, focus on collecting verifiable evidence, maintaining an accurate chain of custody, and understanding the specific reporting mechanisms of relevant international bodies. This structured approach ensures the information can be used effectively for accountability. The fundamental reason for meticulous documentation is to meet the high evidentiary standards required by international courts and human rights organizations. These bodies need robust proof to establish the facts, identify perpetrators, and secure convictions for grave breaches of the Geneva Conventions and other international humanitarian law principles. Without verifiable evidence, claims cannot be acted upon. First, when gathering information, aim for comprehensive details. Include the date, exact time, and precise location of the incident, using global positioning system coordinates if possible. Detail all parties involved, including victims, perpetrators, and witnesses. Accurately describe the acts themselves, noting any specific weapons used or methods employed. Be sure to capture the immediate aftermath and any visible damage. Next, collect all forms of evidence. This includes photographs and video footage, always noting the date and time they were captured. Secure witness statements, ensuring they are documented as close to the event as possible and include the witness's full name, contact information, and a clear account in their own words. Preserve physical evidence when safe to do so, carefully logging its discovery and storage. Remember to continuously record the chain of custody for all evidence, noting who collected it, when, and to whom it was passed, maintaining its integrity and admissibility. An expert tip for effective documentation is to understand the concept of criminal intent. While not always easy to prove in the field, documenting statements or behaviors that suggest a deliberate disregard for civilian life or protected status can be incredibly valuable. Also, be aware of the principle of distinction, which requires parties to a conflict to differentiate between combatants and civilians, and between military objectives and civilian objects. Documenting failures in this distinction strengthens your report. By diligently documenting war crimes with accuracy, detail, and an unbroken chain of custody, you empower international justice systems to hold individuals accountable. Your careful work helps ensure that violations of international humanitarian law do not go unpunished, bringing vital steps towards justice and preventing future atrocities.